guys, Pax here. I put a poll out a few days ago so y'all could choose what I open next. And y'all were all like, hidden fates, hidden fates, hidden fates. So that's what I'm going to open today. The Hidden Fates Charizard GX Tin. Ba-da-ba-da. Let's get into this tin. I really like the Charizard on the front. Yeah. Gotcha. Yeah. Why am I so bad at opening tins? Pow. One mighty smack from my hand. Ugh. Why do they have to be so stressful? Okay, almost got it. Yeah. There we go. Finally! Jeez. I like what they did with it, where they made it like the honeycomb thing. Let me get this Charizard out very nicely. Put that off to the side, Let's sleeve up this Charizard GX. He looks really good. Let's put this tin off to the side. We have 1, 2, 3, 4 Hidden Fates packs. I'm gonna open up the Legendary Beds first. One, two, three, 4. I feel a shiny coming on, and I'm going for that shiny Charizard. Yeah. Well, I got Magikarp, Slowpoke, Clefairy, Coughing, Voltorb, Energy, Boring Old Energy, Misty's Determination, Brock's Pewter City Gym, Ginevani's Exile, and a shiny Quagsire, and a Weezing. Boo. But another shiny Quagsire. I can't even say it. Yes! I got 2 now. Let's put him over here. And first pack, we already got a shiny. This is going to be a great tin. Let's open this Mew pack. Mew. Ugh. Yeah. Jammed. It's a jammed. 1, 2, 3, 4. Charizard, please be in this pack. Geodude, Cubone, Eevee, Clefairy, Psyduck. What's a reverse Hollow Golem? Oh, I messed up the card trick. Reverse Hollow Golem, Jinx. Wait, nope. Pokemon Center Lady, Metapod, Aerobok, and an Energy. Wait, Aerobok's the rare. Yeah, wait. Yeah, he's the rare. Aerobok. I do not want another Aerobok. It's time for Mewtwo. Why does he have a green tail? Probably because it's shiny. Shiny. Shiny Pokemon are like different colors than their actual Pokemon selves. 1, 2, 3, 4. I hope I did this right now. Okay, yeah. There we go. I finally did it right. I usually get it wrong. Jigglypuff, Caterpie, Paris, Charmander! Yes! For the 3rd pack, I got a Charmander. I'm gonna put you up there. Yay. Boring Old Energy, Graveler, Farfetch'd, Jinx, Reverse Hollow Sabrina's Suggestion, and a Hollow Vaporeon. Nothing's wrong with a Vaporeon. I'm gonna sleeve you up. Let me just... Come on. Sleeves. Sleeve it up. Put it up there. And for our last pack, it's a Charizard. Charizard, you better be in this, or I'm gonna pull you in another one. I'm coming for you. Yes, finally, a pack that is worthy of opening. 1, 2, 3, 4. 4. Charizard, please, come on. Come on. Coughing, a fairy, Staryu, Jigglypuff, Ekans, Energy, Koga's Trap, Lieutenant Surge's Strategy, Misty's Determination, Reverse Hollow Clefairy, and a Jolteon. Jolteon? Why? I want a Charizard. Well, maybe we'll pull Maybe we'll pull a Charizard next time. Thank you. Please leave a like and subscribe. Please pound the likes. Pound the likes. I want to get to 10,000 likes today. Goodbye.